Hi guys, I just want to talk about this 2.4G Air mouse and QWERTY keyboard, mini keyboard, okay? I got this a few days ago and I tell you I'm well impressed with it. It cost me €15 on eBay and really is good. Very solid build and for the money, just can't go wrong, okay? So it comes in a plain box. There it is, okay? There was no instructions or anything. Just that, okay? So, that's the layout. It's kind of a split keyboard, alright? And the buttons and all and the build of this feels pretty good. I recently reviewed another cheaper one I bought for €10 and trust me, this one is much better. And it feels much more durable and solid. And I like the size as well. You know, the buttons are not so close together or small or anything. It's easy to type on this, okay? Now, so that's the front of it, all right? Turn it over here. And that is the back. Now, it takes 3 AAA batteries, all right? And also, the little dongle there is just, sorry, it's just there. Look, you can see it there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the USB dongle into my computer and put the batteries into the back of this. And then I'll just pause the video now while I do that, okay? Okay, I'm back. And just trying to focus there, yeah. So I have the batteries in the device now, and I have the dongle bit in the side of the laptop, okay? And in order to use the mouse part of this is what you do. You put it up this way and you press that button and yeah, you can see it there. As you move this around, the mouse pointer or the cursor moves on the screen, yeah? And I tell you, it's pretty good. Works very well. So you just move it up to where you want to, right there, and then you click the left button like so, and that works great. And then, you know, if you want to type anything, then easy peasy, works grand. You can see the mouse. You press that to activate the mouse, and then you have the left and right mouse buttons just there as well. And it's got the arrows here. And that's about it, yeah. Oh, it works really well. It's a simple mini keyboard. Works for Android, works for PC. Does the lot. I like it. I like the size of it. It feels good in the hand. You know, it's just the right size. I'm using this connected up to my TV over there. I have a laptop connected to TV and I use this controller to control everything on the computer end of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.